The suspect, Joshua Crawford, is being held here at the Butler County Jail without bail. This after court documents allege he shot his wife, Sarah, during an argument, but first tried to shoot himself. This is a picture of the suspect, Joshua Crawford. He is charged with aggravated assault and criminal homicide in the death of his wife, Sarah Crawford. Here you see state police at the couple's home on East Slippery Rock Road in Chicora shortly following the shooting. Court papers allege the pair had been arguing for some time and Joshua did not want to fight anymore, so he was going to leave his home. On his way out, he grabbed a loaded hunting rifle and put it under his chin and pulled the trigger, attempting to take his own life, according to police. Court documents then go on to say that Joshua pulled the magazine out, reseated it, and put the rifle back under his chin. During this time, those documents say his wife Sarah was yelling at him, called him names, and told him to shoot himself. That's when police say Joshua pointed the gun at Sarah and shot her. That bullet hit her in her chest and she died. Joshua called state police and told them he needed an officer at his home because he had gotten into a fight with his wife. He was taken into custody and charged. I did speak with Sarah's family over the phone this morning. They told me they're still trying to make sense of this situation and said it's all just very surreal. A preliminary hearing for Joshua is set for next week. Reporting in Butler County, Caitlin Sykes, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.